In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the charging port of Samsung Ascent. Right now, it's not working. I'm charging from the wireless charging only. So what we need is the suction pump, some prying tools, gauze, and few screwdriver. We don't need all of these. Just only the Philip head is enough for the Samsung most Samsung phones.
We need to take out this portion. So what we have to do is we have to use hot gun or hair dryer. We can do with the hair dryer also. We have to take all the heat gun from here to and pull out the back cover. Didn't hit properly, then if you pull it harder, then it can break your back like this. This is just crack in outside glass, so be careful doing this.
It's better to always start from one side and take the credit card or license, which is harder, and penetrate inside. So it will be easy to take out these things. All this glue is normally in the corner, so you need to hit in the corner only. So the worst case scenario doing this is you could broke the back cover if you didn't give the enough fit and you pull it unnecessarily. So you need to be patient.
Once you remove the antenna, all these cables, and you can lift it off like this. Some motherboard. Now we have to remove all these flip head screws, and then we can take out all the charging module. So let's go. gonna change this with the new one. Yeah. So I'm gonna transfer all this and connect cable to another one, and I'll assemble all this again. Let's go.
What to assemble all this thing, I need to check before putting all the wireless charging things. So you may promote the error showing the battery temperature is too low. Try it later. So what's the main issue on that is you have to connect the wireless charging before checking it. So in this case I connect, but I didn't screw, so uh, the port is actually not connected to the board. So I tried to search these things in internet, but I could not find the right solution, so I stopped nearly half an hour on these things. So what I came across is without putting all the knots and without connecting all these things, if you check the charging port or assembling things, then you can get the result. It will show the battery temperature is low error and you get panic. So what you have to do is screw all this knot, the connecting the wireless charging to the batteries. Now check the charging port. Yeah, now it's